Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling my hair using KurleeBelle's Papaya Avocado Curl Milk and Hemp Flaxseed Curling Jelly. So I'm starting off with the Papaya Avocado Curl Milk, which is a daily moisturizer and curl definer. Its creamy, rich consistency detangles on contact while moisturizing and defining curls. Next, I'm going in with the Hemp Flaxseed Curling Jelly with agave nectar, which provides a strong hold while sealing in moisture and shine for elongated curls. This product is great for quick curls, wash and goes, twist outs, and braid outs. Today I am doing finger coils. So after I've applied the curl milk and the curling jelly to each section, I am going in and just doing small finger coils throughout my hair. Finger coils are a great low manipulation style where you don't have to manipulate your hair throughout the week. The only con with finger coils is the shrinkage is real. But if you've embraced the shrinkage like I have, then finger coils is the style for you. So again, I'm going in first with the Papaya Avocado Curl Milk, and then following that up with the Hemp Flaxseed Curling Jelly, making sure that the product is evenly distributed using the praying hands method. And then I'm going through and raking the product through, detangling my hair before I start coiling. The key to good finger coils for me is making sure that you work in small sections, making sure that your hair is completely detangled, and also making sure that you coil all the way up to the top. So I'm just going to continue these same steps throughout the rest of my hair. So here we are finally to the last section, and my arms are definitely tired at this point. I would say this entire process took about 30 to 35 minutes because I did do very small finger coils. So now that my hair is completed, I am going to sit under my hooded dryer for about 20 minutes and then let the rest air dry overnight. So here we are with the final results, and I am definitely loving this look. My finger coils are shiny, they are moisturized, they are defined, the bounce back is real, the shrinkage is also real, but that's okay. Great low manipulation style for this first week back to school. I've definitely enjoyed this combination with the flaxseed curling jelly and the curl milk. Loving my results. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.